our 60 second straight talk with Lazy Bones Fitness. What are we talking about today, Tom?
Today we're talking about all things NEAT.
Neat. Is this a cleaning program or fitness?
No, we're talking about getting ourselves more active every single day to get us fit and healthy.
Okay, is there a special name for that?
NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It sounds complicated.
Can you put it in plain English?
Basically, things like getting off the bus and stop early, parking the car further away, using the stairs instead of the escalator, walking more.
I've got a really good idea.
What's that?
I used to do it in my last job. If we sat in an office job, a lot of people in office jobs, every 20 minutes, set your phone timer and just get up and move around.
I like it. 20 minutes, sit your watch, go for a walk.
And we are under 60 seconds, so let's do a dance. Okay, so being serious, guys, just get maybe more active in your day, whether you're setting timers, going to the kitchen to make a cup of tea, go back and forth a few extra times. Just try and be more active in your active day.
That's it.
Okay, bye guys.